and expense information for reimbursement. How simple and efficient is it for them to accomplish this using Zoho Writer?
Well, you can achieve this using fillable templates in Zoho Writer. So there are various types of fields available like drop-down, checkbox, radio buttons, etc., which will allow you to collect data. And not only that, you can also make use of file upload fields to collect attachments from their employees and add it into your work drive so that the bills that they need to be claimed can be submitted easily by your employees. So this is an easy and simple process of collecting data, and let me just show you how it works. So I have got a reimbursement claim form which is a fillable template. So here you can see that I have added the fillable template, and not only that, just to additionally showcase some features, I've added a data source as well. So I've added a data source which will pull employee's name and the advance that has been paid. So since it's a reimbursement form, if there are any advance payment made, that will be deducted in the total value. So in order to in order to showcase that, I've added a data source in this section. And here you can see that the employee ID can be filled by the employee, and the location has a drop down which contains three drop down options: Chennai, New York, London. And here we have the manager email, and not only that, we have added a table which contains date fields, text fields, and along with that we have currency field as well. And here we have drop down list. And not only that, the most important one is the file upload field, which will allow you to upload files into Zoho Work Drive. So you can just set a destination location in your work drive, and then you'll be able to put in files into this particular section. So now I'll just go ahead and let you know the formulas that we have used. So here we have added a formula which is the sum of above. So all the currency field, once added, it will be automatically addition, and the entire subtotal will be displayed in this particular field. And furthermore, we have the advance paid field, which is a pre-filled value from my data source. Here on the left side you can see that it is a pre-filled value. And further, the total reimbursement will be D6 minus D7, which is the total number of reimbursement claimed and the advance paid. So you'll be able to get to know the total reimbursement that has to be paid to the employee currently. And not only that, we have also referred this particular cell value, which is D8, in this particular section, just to highlight the answer. So this is how you have to set up a fillable template, and based on your preference, you can also set it up accordingly. And now what we will do is we will just click on pre-fill and share. And before that, let me just configure the output options. So once the submission is happening, I just want it to be saved into a folder. So I'll just choose a folder in my work drive, and I'll just choose the required format and hit save. And not only that, if I require, I can also save these responses to a Zoho sheet. So what I've done is I've created a sheet, and I'm going to push these responses or the values added by an employee to this particular sheet file. And furthermore, not only this, I'll also gonna send this for approval to the manager. So when an employee submits the particular form after filling the reimbursement details, the form will be sent to the manager for approval. And only once the manager approves the form, the data will be added into the sheet file, and the file will be saved to the required folder. So this is how we have configured, and the manager's email address is also being dynamically pulled by the filled data. So now once this is done, I'm just going to click on pre-fill and share to fill. Here you can see that the employee name and the advance paid are the only fields that has been pre-filled. Now I'm just going to send it via email. So now the form is being shared, and let me just check my email inbox. Here you can see that please fill out the expense form, and I'll just click on this link to fill in the details. So now I'll add the employee ID, location, submission date, and just for testing purpose I'll just use my own email address so that I'll be able to display on how this approval process works. Just fill in some details. So you can see that once I enter these values, the amount or the subtotal and the total reimbursement is dynamically providing the results. And also, if required, I can also upload a file in this particular file upload field. Yeah. So once these processes completed, I'll just click on submit. So now this particular submitted data must be sent to the manager's email address for approval process. So let me just check my email inbox if I'm getting an email. So multi-step approval of filling up a form can be done using this method. So now I've received my email, and now I'm just going to click on continue filling. So now I'll be able to check the information submitted by the employee, and based on that, if there are any corrections, I'll be able to perform those corrections and then submit the document for final stage. So now I'll hit submit. Now the information is submitted. So let me just check if the output options are working properly. So this is the sheet file. This is the data source. This is the data source, the advance paid amount, and the employee's name and the email address. So let's just see if we are getting the filled information populated in this section. So this is the sheet that I have selected where the filled data has to be pushed. So here you can see that all the information that has been submitted by the employee is being pushed in this section. So if you want, you can also push these information to a application of your own preference.